Welcome to part 2 of our yummy food hacks for kids. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Crafty Hackers and give this video a big thumbs up. You might want to also check out part 1 of our yummy food hacks for kids. Okay, here we go. Yogurt ice cream. Here's a healthy treat for the summer. Just grab a container of your favorite yogurt, some Nutella, a bag of cookies, and a banana. Crumble up the cookie into a bowl. Cut your banana into slices, then halve the banana slices. Pour some natural yogurt into one bowl and add a banana-flavored yogurt into another bowl. Then stir in the banana slices. Stir a spoonful of Nutella into the natural yogurt. Sprinkle your cookie crumbles into the bottom of your empty yogurt container. Add some banana yogurt, and then some Nutella yogurt. Keep layering and alternating the yogurts until you've filled up the yogurt container. Add some more cookie crumbles to the top. Put the foil lid back on top. Poke a stick through the top of the foil and into your yogurt. Freeze for a few hours, then enjoy your frozen yogurt pop. Energy Nutella Bites. For this snack, you'll need chocolate chips, some rolled oats, some sunflower seeds, honey, puffed rice cereal, Nutella, peanut butter, and coconut oil. Combine the oats, puffed rice, sunflower seeds, chocolate chips, a couple spoons of Nutella, a couple spoonfuls of honey, a teaspoon of coconut oil, and a serving of peanut butter. Stir the ingredients together. Line a plate with wax paper. Use 2 spoons to scoop the mixture into bite-sized pieces. Place the bites onto the wax paper. You can put a little bit of coconut oil onto the spoons to keep the mixture from sticking to them. When you're finished, sprinkle coconut shavings on top. Now you've got a healthy snack for the road. Flour eggs. For this, you'll need to hard-boil a half dozen eggs. Cut a straw in half and slice it up the middle on both sides. Poke your half straw into the hard-boiled egg to make a flower design. Do this all the way around the egg. Pull the egg apart, and you should have one half with the egg yolk still intact. Put some lettuce in your egg container and set the egg flowers inside. Octopus hot dogs. Get a package of hot dogs and grab some uncooked spaghetti noodles. Slice the hot dogs in half from about the center of the hot dog. Turn it and slice it again to make the tentacles. Next, break your spaghetti noodles in half. Push the spaghetti noodles through the center of the hot dog and out the top. Use about 5 or 6 noodles per hot dog. Then boil your hot dogs. Enjoy the octopus hot dogs with some lettuce. Butterfly hot dog. Here's a way to get some veggies in with your meat. Take a skewer and push it through the center of your hot dog. Next, take a knife and run it around the hot dog, making a spiral cut like this. Keep going until you get all the way to the bottom. Put the cut hot dog onto a plate and remove the skewer. Gently pull the hot dog apart to show off the spiral design. Cut it to size, then add some antennas. Make the wings out of lettuce and cucumber slices. Put some halved cherry tomatoes on top of the cucumber slices and enjoy. Bunny sandwich. Here's a cute way to make a sandwich. Prepare your ingredients. Put a round slice of ham on a piece of bread. Cut off the bottom of the ham slice. Add a slice of lunch meat and cut this design into the bunny foot. Add some ears and a tail. Add a few sprinkles for the eyes and nose. Place your bunny sandwiches on a bed of lettuce. This is a sure way to make anyone smile. Nutella rolls. Craving a sweet snack? Try this. Get some bread, Nutella, crushed nuts, sugar, a bit of milk, and an egg. Cut the crusts off your slice of bread. Roll out the bread to flatten it. If you don't have a rolling pin, just use an empty soda bottle. Combine your egg with some milk and beat it together with a fork. Coat your Nutella rolls in the egg mixture. Sprinkle a bit of sugar on top. Now fry them up in a pan. That looks good, doesn't it? Slice a banana. Here's a simple way to slice a banana. Poke a push pin through the peel and move it back and forth. Pull off the peel and your banana will be sliced and ready to eat. Yum! And that's the end of our yummy food hacks. Please leave a comment below or answer our survey by clicking on the top right corner. Be sure to subscribe to see our changes. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Enjoy your yummy treats.